knows? We couldn't find a way back.
Rabbitohs go to the left.
We're getting pulled over right now.
Oh, dude. Also report the highway patrol. Stop you for your speed. Can I see your license, registration, insurance, please?
69, actually.
Just make sure you follow up before the court date at the bottom, okay? Okay.
Tell me he wasn't an NPC, honestly.
Dude, they all are.
Yeah.
This is Glamis? It's kind of shit, dude.
How many hours we've been going at it?
6 or 9. Yo, what do you think of the falls? Are you vlogging this right now? Is this a vlog?
Dude, it's pretty cool.
I'm just about to take a piss. Oh! It says the vlog. Straight ice water. How you feel? I feel frisky. I feel good. And we just showed up to our motel. Yeah, that's nice.
There's a sign on the door that says 8:30 to 11, emergency number this. Called it, no one answers.
Dude, just scream at the top of your lungs, please. Please, I just want to hear you.
Pretty sure there's a clown in this hotel that you're not supposed to touch or look at.
Oh, God.
Yeah, the exact clown right there.
The one sitting? I don't know why you picked this place, Shay. I don't know why you wanted to stay here so bad.
Well, the Yelp reviews were actually pretty good, so.
The Clown Memorial.
Why did so many people die within 10 years?
Holy shit, are these real graves? Yep. What do you think of these graves, Glenn?
All miners.
From 1901 to 1911. Do you hear that?
What?
Dude, I hear like circus music. Oh my God. Dude, get out of here. Get out of here. There's some haunted ass shit out there, Weber.
Yeah. Where'd you get this blue chain from? Is this from eBay or did you spray paint it?
It was some Chinese guy. He was on the side of Fred Meyer and he was like selling like random bike parts.
How much was it?
It was like $350. They were like homemade parts, I guess. He homemade them all.
Oh wow.
I gotta take the hoodie off.
It's actually kind of hot.
Probably not the best type of riding for a 450 race bike. I would definitely like to have a two-stroke right now. Oh yeah. They had to hear that. It's gotta be echoing throughout the canyon for days, bro. You guys see me up there?
Nope. Mother frickin' cactus.
Shit!
All right, Weber. Let's see it.
Go up yours. I think it's steeper. Oh, 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 oh! Dude, you can see the sunset, dude. I need to get my bike up so I can get a photo. Look at this. So dope. That's exactly what I was scared of.
Howdy, fellas.
God.
That's what I was looking for.
Oh, really?
Oh.
So you guys are somewhere over here, chances on that side, Weber's somewhere the fuck out here.
2 hours later.
Fuck.
That road.
Yeah, it's already getting a little hard to see.
I think we should just kind of backtrack.
I agree.
If you literally just go through the random shit, you run across the trail eventually. How far did we go? Oh my God! That's what I thought.
Yo!
He's gone, dude. He's way... I thought that was the main road, dude.
I think we just go back to that first trail.
Oh, there it is. I see it. What? I thought this was it.
I thought this was it too.
I'd have like gone past it and we're just getting deeper and deeper into... Maybe just follow this down and see where it goes.
Yeah.
We really didn't go that far back before we started hitting trails.
Yeah.
See the map.
Ways to die. We gotta keep on moving.
Is this the road back to the...
Go up this canyon on the left side.
Okay.
Back.
We've been lost out here for like hours. We couldn't find our way back.
Go up the hill. Left side, go up, and then just stay on the main road. It'll get you right back to Camelback.
Okay.
I know you guys got no lights, so you guys are...
Yeah, I know, it's getting dark. There's so many roads that look just like this one,
yeah.
and we can't find it.
At night with no lights.
Yeah.
No, we were out here in the daylight and it got dark.
Yeah.
All right,
Fuck, I'd give you a headlight, but I don't have it. It's in my truck.
it's all good. I think I'll be able to find it if it's just
You're
this
only
dark.
like, dude, on that thing, you'll be there in like 10 minutes, 8 minutes.
Dude, it's dark. It's scary. There's rocks and shit.
I get it, dude.
All right, see you guys later. Everything looks the same out there.
Isn't it awesome?
Dude, it was scary.